everyone, my name is Tara and I'm back again with one more bag unboxing. Let's go and find out what bag I got from Gucci and let's go and unbox it. So the bag is in here in this packet. Ta-da! Are you guys excited like me? I'm very excited because I'm a bag lover. Whenever I buy a bag, small or big, whatever it is, it really excites me. So let's go and unbox what I got from Gucci. So here it is. This is a very small bag and let's go and see what it is. So I really like this detailing in this one, the horse bit logo. I think this is the new packet. Earlier they used to give green packet, but nowadays they are giving this silver packet, and I'm liking this horse bit detail also in this ribbon for some reason. I don't know. So let's go and see what I got from Gucci. So the bag is in here. So let's go and see. Ta-da! Here is the beauty, you guys. Oh my god, I'm in absolute love with this bag. This is called Mini Ophidia and it has a silver hardware and metallic silver leather. This is all leather and this is the classic Gucci canvas and this is metallic silver leather. And you guys, this bag gonna be the superstar bag of 2024 very soon. I bought it in December 2023. So the salesperson in Gucci told me that this bag gonna rock in 2024. They're gonna launch it properly in 2024. I got it in December 2023. So inside they have all this about Gucci and about the product, and yeah, inside they don't have the leather. Inside it's all clothing and linen kind of thing inside, and there's one separate compartment inside, and though it looks small, it fits a lot in here. So this is the specialty about this bag, guys. If you are going to party, you are sorted because lots of things gonna fit in here. So do let me know in the comment how you guys like this bag. And I love this, love the color because this is a kind of party color. It has gold color and silver. This time I prefer silver color, otherwise I'm a gold girl. I always go for gold colors, but in this bag the silver color was really standing out. So the zip is also smooth. Now let's go and find out what all fits in this mini beauty. Okay, let's see what all fit in here. And so first, most essential phone. This is a bigger size phone. I don't use this phone. This is a spare phone with me. I use iPhone 15 Pro from which I'm shooting this video. So let's see if the bigger size phone fits in this small beautiful bag. Yes, it does fit in smoothly, nicely. And let's see if a big size lipstick fits in. It does fit in. And if you want to carry your cards, so 2 of your card gonna also come. And still, let's check if there is some more space to fit in a compact if needed. The compact will fit in, but it will spoil the shape of the bag. So no, just remove the compact and all your essential phone, card and lipstick gonna come. And if you want to put your keys, I think keys will also fit in this bag. So yeah, so it's all your choice. If you don't want to put your phone inside, then your compact gonna fit easily. Yeah, so I think by now you got the idea like what all can you fit in this bag? So do let me know in the comment if you have any questions regarding this bag, and do let me know if you're gonna buy this bag. I personally use this bag on Christmas, and trust me, I loved it because all my essential fit in. I was putting key also here. It's all on you. When you put key, then you cannot put lots of stuff together, so you can manage this bag. This bag is so good that whatever you require in a party, everything gonna fit in here. So yeah, that's it. This was my unboxing, and this was the bag. So let me know in the comments how you guys like this bag, and if you have any questions, and show me some love. Thank you for watching, and do let me know from where you're watching this video. Bye all. Thank you.